Tell us how it's going. Is the proof of concept actually working?
It absolutely is. And I think when all is said and done, when offshore wind is fully brought to this country, I think people are going to look at the pilot project and really say that, there was high expectations, and I think we've exceeded them already throughout the year in terms of the electrical production for these two turbines. In terms of availability and capacity factor, they have exceeded expectations. They've performed very well from a logistical standpoint. More importantly, from safety processes, we've proven that we can do this over the course of a year, from construction to 1 full year of operation. And actually, it's October 15th was their first day of actually producing energy and bringing it ashore. So that's the day that I consider that it's their birthday. I think of them as wind babies in some cases, because their 6-month checkup, people were very interested in how they were doing. The proof of concept has borne fruit across the environmental side. We've done numerous environmental studies, scour protection surveys, ROV surveys. We've used drone technology to be able to do assessments of the blades and the nacelle without putting people in harm's way. There has been a tremendous amount of sharing going back and forth between the other developers, and also, of course, to BOEM, who's really are from the regulatory side and the federal side. They're the ones that we are looking to please. But really, Departments of Mine, Minerals, and Energy for Virginia, now the Virginia Department of Energy, that they technically own the lease, and we are operating the lease for them. So this right now, after 1 year, I can say is conclusively is a success.